Hi guys, welcome back to Trendy Mami. In this video, we're gonna show you how to create this adorable cake with a special surprise in it to gift to your loved one. Here are the ingredients for the recipe. For the sponge cake, 3 eggs, 1 cup, 200 grams of white sugar, half a cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1 cup plus 2 tablespoons, 150 grams white flour, and 1 cup, 100 grams of cocoa powder. For the buttercream, 1 cup, 200 grams of butter, 2 cups, 400 grams of powdered sugar, raspberries, red food coloring. To start, separate the yolks from the whites. Set the bowl of whites aside and work on the yolks. Add the sugar. And mix till creamy. Now, add the milk, the oil, the sifted baking powder, the sifted white flour, and the cocoa powder. Now blend with the hand mixer till the batter is smooth and even. Once that's done, take the bowl of egg whites and whip till light and fluffy. You can do the flip bowl test to make sure you've reached the optimum whipping result. If it doesn't move inside the bowl, you're good to go. With a silicone spatula, gently fold the batter with the whites. Fold until completely combined. Now pour the batter into the baking pan, previously covered with parchment paper. Even the batter by shaking the baking pan, like so. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once baked and cooled down, clean up the edges with a spatula knife. Then cut the sponge cake into 2 layers. Create the hole with a round cutter in the center of the sponge cake. Remove the extra cake in the center so you can fill it with the gift in it. For the buttercream, in a large bowl, add butter, powdered sugar, add some red drops of food coloring. Blend all together with a hand mixer for a few minutes until you reach a thick consistency. Like this. Transfer to a pastry bag. Now we're ready to fill and decorate. On the first layer of the cake, add the buttercream around the gift. Even the buttercream with a spatula. Then place a few raspberries split in half. Add another layer of buttercream. Then top it with the second layer of sponge cake. Now you can cover the top of the cake with more buttercream. Use the spatula knife to spread the frosting evenly on the cake. To finish, make some decorations with the remaining buttercream. Add the raspberries. And then you have the sweetest gift surprise ever. As always, like, subscribe, and comment so you never miss any of our content. Happy celebration!